Oops. Oh my goodness. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before we start, I would like to remind you to please like, comment and subscribe on this video. And yeah, let's get started. So today we're going to be reviewing a clean beauty brand called Merit. Now before I get into anything, I just want to say to Merit, thank you guys so much for sending me your products. Honestly, I'm so grateful. I don't even know how you guys found me, to be honest, how you guys found my channel, but thank you so much for reaching out to me. I can't wait to try these products. So what I want to do in this video is a quick unboxing and first impressions. Next, I'm going to be doing a quick demo with the products, and then I'm just going to do a quick review afterwards so I can tell you guys what I think. Merit is all about clean, minimalist beauty, and they have the whole less is more approach to makeup, which I really do appreciate. I love a full face with makeup. I mean, you can put my whole makeup bag on my face, I wouldn't care. But I also love sometimes to just, you know, have a very natural, that, you know, no makeup type look, where, you know, you can't really tell if I'm wearing makeup or not. And I also love makeup that just enhances your natural features, and this is what Merit is all about. So I'm excited. So I got to choose 7 products out of the line. I just, you know, I tried to pick a wide range of products so I can just get a good idea of what the brand is all about. So it came in this box. Can you see? Yeah, so it came in this box. I can't wait to open it and see what's inside. I mean, I know what's inside. I ordered the stuff, but I just want to see it in person. Yep, there we go. Oh, look, guys. Whoa. Oops. Look, that is so pretty. Look. Oh, guys, look. That is so pretty. I love that. I love the bag, and it came with a card as well. It says, beauty and self-care has reached a fever pitch, a saturated market with products coming out every few days. Palettes with 50 colors when we only use 2. That's so true. This year with Reset, we learned we don't need much. We're accustomed to bare nails, natural hair, and days without makeup. We're indulging in comfort and minimalism, and brands that bring us more with less. Merit was created to reimagine luxury beauty by making it well-edited, holistic, and accessible. We're focused on responsible luxury, creating products that are safe for the body, skin, and the planet. It came in this bag, which is just fabulous. I love this. I love the color. So the first is a Flush Balm. It's supposed to be like a blush. Let me see. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Pretty color. I love blushes. It's just a great way to get a little bit of color and like flush on your face. This shade is called Mood. Let's see. Hope you can see. So what am I looking at now? Oh, this is a complexion stick, so I assume it's like some type of concealer foundation-y thing. I got to pick all these out by myself, which I love. I got to choose what shades, the blushes, everything, the lip glosses. I got to pick everything myself. For the complexion stick, I got the shade Sienna. You guys probably can't see, and I'm wasting my time like showing you, but I'll give you a closer look when I do the quick demo. This is Sienna. And can I just say, I really love the packaging. It's very, very like simple. I love that. The next one is a blending brush. I can't have enough brushes. Like, I seriously can't have enough brushes. I go through brushes like it's crazy. This is it. This is, for me, I'd probably use this. This is like a multi-purpose brush for me. You can use it for like as a setting powder brush. You can use it as a foundation brush. You can use it as a blush brush. It's very soft. I love the bristles. It's very, very soft. I know some brushes are like meant to do certain things, but my brushes, sometimes I just use it for more than one thing. I'm like, hey, I bought it, so I'm gonna use it however I like. So I got 3 tinted lip oils. Let me see, what shades did I get? So they call it Shade Slick. So it's kind of, I think it's supposed to be a mix of like lip gloss or like a pomade type thing. You guys, I've never done an unboxing before, so I'm super all over the place and I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I thought I got two of the same thing. I was gonna be so mad. That is gorgeous. Look at that. So I got the shades Pink Beat, Marrakesh, and Naturel. Oh my goodness. Look, I can just tell I'm gonna love these shades. These are my shades to use. These are my shades to use for like lip glosses. You can see like what I have now. It's kind of similar to this, what I have on now. These are a wash of sheer color, rich with rosehip and grapeseed oils for healthy, never sticky lips. I love that. My favorite oil, you guys already know my favorite oil ever is rosehip oil, and I love grapeseed oil as well. Those are really great ingredients to use for lip gloss or lip balm. Like very, very moisturizing, but like they're not too heavy and sticky and meh. So the last product I picked was a mascara. This is so gorgeous. I love how this looks. I love the packaging. Like seriously, like this looks so cool. I love a good mascara. Like honestly, I use false lashes most of the time if I'm like putting on a full face, but I do love a good mascara because, you know, sometimes I'm not in the mood to slap on fake lashes. Oh my gosh, yes. I love a thick brush. Honestly, the thicker the brush for mascara, the more length and volume that you're gonna get. This is fabulous. For me, how I know a mascara is going to be good is the size of the brush. And this is a nice thick brush, so I can't wait to try this. Again, I just want to thank you, Merit, for sending me and letting me get to pick the products that I wanted to try. I just love that. Thank you guys so much. So in the next clip, you're going to see me just do a quick demo of these products, a natural looking, like everyday makeup look for you guys with these products. So let's see how it turns out. Bye! everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to give a quick review of the products that you guys just saw me use. I think I'll start with the products that I didn't really like that much. Actually, there's nothing in the collection that I hate. I really like all of them. There's a couple of them though that I'm a little bit not too fond of, and I'll explain why. So the first product that I'm iffy about is the brush. So this brush is a complexion brush, so you could use it to apply your foundation, your concealer, anything basically that you use to cover your face or on your skin, right? I washed this brush before I used it. Tip, you should always wash your makeup brushes, sponges, even if they're new. You should always wash it before you use it, especially if you have acne prone sensitive skin. You just want to make sure that everything that you're using or putting on your face is clean. I actually use it to apply a little bit of my concealer and my blush, and I like the application. It worked perfectly fine. But then I noticed after I washed it again, it started to lose its shape. This is currently what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's kind of lost the original shape, and I mean I can try to, you know, fluff it out, but it's just not looking like how it looked when I first got it out of the box. I don't know if I was too heavy-handed or what, or maybe I just didn't wash it properly, but I wash my brushes the exact same way, and I'll show you a comparison. So this is my Huda Beauty bronzing brush. So I washed both of these brushes the exact same way, and this is an older brush and it kept its shape, unlike this one. So I'm not really too fond of that. I don't like that. I wash my brushes every time that I use my makeup. I wash them quite frequently, and I'm not too confident that this is going to last a while. I just don't think it's going to hold up. The other product that I'm a little bit on the fence about as well is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. It's not bad. Like I said, none of the products are bad at all. This product, I had an issue with the packaging. You can see in my demo, I was trying to get it open and the whole, like the complexion stick, like the actual stick, came out. I don't know, I didn't like that that happened, although I just put it back in and everything's fine. All I did was put it back in and it's fine. It's not coming out or anything. So I didn't like that happened though. Yeah, so I had some packaging issues with that. And as far as the product itself, as far as its performance, it's not a foundation and it's not a concealer. It's just supposed to take the kind of responsibilities of a foundation and a concealer, and I do get that. I didn't mind the coverage. I actually, it's the coverage is beautiful. In my opinion, I find it to be like natural coverage that you can build upon until it's like completely full coverage. So it depends on you and how you want to use it. It's also supposed to be hydrating as well, which I do appreciate. However, for me, I have oily skin and I prefer to use complexion products that are a little bit more matte or have a matte finish. But yeah, so I found that it wasn't just to my preference. That was just like a me thing. It's not because the product is not any good or anything like that as far as how it performs on your skin. I just like matte complexion products. That's it. So my favorite product in the line would have to be the Lash Extending Mascara. Oh my goodness, guys. I think this is the best, and I'm not exaggerating. I think this is the best mascara I've ever used. I mean, I knew it was going to be good just by looking at it. The reason I really like it is because it lengthens and it volumizes, but it doesn't clump. Like, I mean, again, I don't know what magic potion is in this mascara, but I really like it. Like, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. It's very good. I like how natural looking it is. It looks like your natural lashes, but just like a fuller, longer version of your natural eyelashes. Overall, I'm gonna give this brand an 8 out of 10. I really enjoyed trying the products. I mean, I think this is the first like truly clean makeup brand that I've actually tried. and I mean, I really like it. I think they did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for sending me the products to use. I totally would recommend this brand to people who are either beginners or are looking for, or you could even be an advanced makeup person, but you're looking for something that's very natural, very simple, something that you can put on in like 5 minutes. Whether you're going to school or to work, it works either way. If you want to check them out, I'm going to put a link in the description box, and yeah, and it will also help me out as well. That's basically it, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My biggest fear is not giving you guys enough information, and I really hope that I did. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section. I will respond, I promise. So thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you, marriage. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.